Okay, friends, let's be ready to solve more questions for foundation level chapter 4 P3O. Question 246 says which should be defined in order to align P3O governance services with wider organization. Governance is how you control, manage, and manage by exception, manage by stages that we need to understand. So where embedded resources should be report, why information security management is needed, which role carries out secretariat function, which role is authorized to make the decision. So that is related to the governance, where you set the accountability, roles and responsibility for make the right decision taken by the right people. So D would be the correct answer. Yes, it is. Question 247 says which is delivered by the business blueprints information flow. Okay, principal management by exception, that is the correct answer because it's shared the hierarchy, who reports to whom, which information needs to be escalated to what level. So that would be the correct answer. But still, it is a good practice to read all the available options, like option B, management by risk, P3O implementation flow, realized benefit. So you can have a scan all the four options. Though the first one would be the right answer, you cannot jump directly to conclude your answer or decision. Let's read what available option, and out of available four options, A would be the most correct answer here. Let's see. Yeah, it's a correct answer. Question number 248 says how should the head of the P3O overcome the barrier of the lack of focus of the full P3O model. So build a vision and business case that can be possible, develop minimalistic process with tailoring guidance, address the culture change through targeted communication, gain acceptance of component office delivered in trenches. So that would be the best thing if your management don't have acceptance for the P3O, you can deliver in a small trenches. So gain a confidence from the management and then deliver the offices. So I believe D would be the most correct answer over here. Yeah, that is. So available E to C all are correct, but out of that D would be the most correct because you are facing the situation where you are facing a barrier and lack of focus of the P3O model that you can overcome by using this technique where you gain the confidence and deliver the solution. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 249. Which activity should take place when recycling the capability within the temporary program office? When we do recycling, you get create an asset that can be repository, that can be sent to COE, that can be used in further projects and programs. So feedback to a COE and any method used a part of program delivery that can be possible. Review the process to ensure the continuous support of a program. Transfer resources back to operational area. Return office accommodate back to business as usual. Out of all this, I believe A would be the most correct, where feedback of the COE, any methods you can give a feedback as a part of your program delivery. It's not restricted that you should give me a feedback through email only. You should give me a feedback through call, or you can give me a feedback through a kind of a face-to-face meeting. Anyways, you feel comfortable that is accepted in a program delivery to a COE. It's a responsibility of COE to collect the feedback and try to make sure that this feedback can be incorporated in your capabilities later on. So that is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. 250 says, which is an activity in an implementation life cycle of the permanent P3O model? So there are four activity: identify, define, deliver capabilities, realize benefit, and closing. Out of that, in an implementation, I believe this activity, define, deliver capabilities, and realize benefits. So run office through a delivery, close down a program, deliver capability, realize benefit, return staff. So I believe C is the most correct answer over here. Yeah, it's the correct answer. I hope you had enjoyed the session. Please reach out to us, whatever your concern, queries, and what the concept you are not getting clarity. You can reach out to us via comment section. You can give your feedback, and we will surely come back to you with more case studies and the question and answer that is require you to help the pass the examination. Thank you so much.